Hey guys, it's Delilah, and guess what day it is? Thursday! Today I'm here to talk about nature. Now, let's get on with the program, shall we? Nature is a very important part of human life, if you didn't know that. Nature is what we need to survive. Yes, I know, I'm talking in a weird accent, but that's how I like it. This shirt says be out there, and it's the truth. You need to go outside and have fun and experience the magical wonders of nature. Look at these boots. Ha! This is grass. There's a lot of it on the planet called Earth. This behind me is a tree, which gives us oxygen to survive. And this is water, of course. And water is what humans need to survive and drink, which is a very important part of nature. Hi, water. Now I will take some nature pictures with this here camera. Yay! Isn't nature such a magical thing? Nature. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, love nature. And this dog that's looking very sad. Poor doggy. Well, bye, guys.